So hello everyone, welcome to this short YouTube tutorial, just an update really. Thank you to everybody who's been in touch asking where I am and wishing me well. It's just I took some time to spend a little bit of quality time with my parents and with the family for a little while, and we have been inundated with training requests. So I've been keeping up with training requests that have been coming in, and that's why in this short YouTube update, just to let you know, A, I'm still here, and B, we're still working, and C, just to give you a little bit of an insight into a training course that we ran recently for a number of students around the world, which was our introduction to S1000D technical authoring. So we spent the week online doing a hybrid of live sessions, live Q&A sessions, live presentations, and then some exercises that the students then went and did in their own time. The feedback we've had so far is it went really well. It's normally traditionally a classroom course, so always very difficult to take pure classroom courses online. But I am back. YouTube is back. We will be getting back into hopefully at least once a week, once a fortnight videos. Keep your questions coming in and enjoy this 1,000-foot overview of the training course that we delivered last week, which was great fun, and we had lots of really great questions as well. And until later on in the week, I'm hoping to release something, a new IPS toolkit update on developing our SNS structures with Mind Manager. Enjoy this one.
Cause you know I need you, cause you know I want you, and I gotta have you. Cause you know I need you, baby, know I need you. Feel my body, can you feel my body over me and over you? I'm touching on me, I'm loving you. Now tell me it's over, I'm not missing out. Now tell me it's over. Cause you know I need you,